Hey friends, Colin here, out on my morning walk, and I realized that I listed the things that I carry with me on a short urban walk in my brand new book, WildWood Magic, Walking as a Sacred Path. And if any of you have been on a walk with me in the morning, you know that I have all sorts of pants and skirts that have lots of pockets so I don't have to carry anything if it's just a short walk. So I needed to update this list because we're doing things a little differently here in the land of COVID. So I carry this little plastic bag, and the plastic bag is useful because I can stick my phone in there if I get caught in an unexpected downpour or something. I now have a little thing of hand sanitizer. I even have a mask. I have a blister patch in there because you just never know. And hobbling home a mile, even a quarter mile, it can be excruciating. So I've learned that the hard way. Of course, I have my bandana, otherwise known as a boogie rag, which is useful for all sorts of things. And of course, I carry a little bit of toilet paper in my bag that I didn't mention because you never know when that comes in handy. And of course, I have my little pocket knife and a honey lemon lozenge because I don't carry water on really short walks and I get thirsty, and that way the lozenge really helps to quench my thirst. Of course, I have my phone, and sometimes if I'm just in the neighborhood, I'll have headphones and listen to a podcast or some music or talk on the phone or something. But my latest addition that I'm so excited about, the whole reason for this video is because I have this is a back scratcher. It's like 2 feet long, and it's the best thing. it's retractable. It's like 6 inches. It even has a little pen holder part on there. This thing is amazing. It was like $2. It's light as a feather. Of course, it might fall apart any minute. But I cannot tell you how many times I've had to pick up a stick on the ground and rake my back. And then I get in the shower and there's all this like bark and debris and dirt and ants that fall out of my shirt. So yes, I am literally carrying a back scratcher with me, and it has made all the difference. So there's your tip for the day. Enjoy your walk.